गाइस आज एक बड़ी फाड़ चीज़ है हमारे पास. इट्स Z390 Aorus एक्सट्रीम.
एक्सट्रीम है ये, एकदम एक्सट्रीम.
Amazing things. One is this 24 pin connector. If you can just see this, it's a sideways insert which makes sense. I think most of manufacturers should shift to this. Makes the building part really easy. Number two, you'll notice that it has a whole lot of fan headers. I don't know if you can see this, but 1 2 3 ये तो CPU के है, 4 5 6 7. So a whole lot of fan headers. USB 3.0, 3.1. ये बहुत कम बोर्ड्स में होता है actually. Only the higher end boards have this. Also another amazing thing is Thunderbolt. Not all boards have Thunderbolt. उनमें लिखा होता है कि Thunderbolt support है पर नहीं रहता है, but this has it on board. Typically most boards require you to do a connection through the PCI Express. VRMs below this. I don't know if you can see the thermal padding here. Right here, this pink stuff, and all the way 16 phase VRMs. Bloody brilliant, I say. Even this one, this is your M.2 SSD cover. Not only does it have some lighting, it also has a thermal padding below it. So 1 2 3 M.2s. So that's pretty kick-ass, right? So let's just switch this on and show you, right? Let's have a look at how the lighting really looks, right? So let me just grab a hold of a power supply. So couple of things, see how satisfying this looks. It's actually pretty satisfying. Apart from that, हमने बस इसमें एक random test processor डाला हुआ है just to show you how amazing the lighting and some detail features. Number one, you can see there's an OC button right here. So this saves some profiles in the BIOS, and just clicking this button and you go on that OC profile. Number one, on off यहीं से हो जाएगा. You don't have no need for a separate switch or anything. कभी यहाँ पे शॉर्ट करते थे फ्रंट पैनल से. And here is your debug LED, which basically shows what issue you have. Apart from this screen, you have 4 debug LEDs here as well, जो आपको exactly बताएगा problem क्या है. Right now we have put a 9400F in this, so you can see the VGA light is lit up because we haven't really connected a graphic card, and 9400F requires one.